Page 13, the B, or line 12. We have a couple new notes here. One for the right hand, one for the left. Let's look at them. In the right hand, you see it, the half note in the middle there somewhere? It's the middle line in the treble clef. It is a B, this B. Now we've had all of these notes in the treble clef. It's really important you be able to see the music and instantly know the name of the note. Please keep drilling yourself if you need to, over and over and over until it comes automatic, because it won't be long. We'll be playing lots of notes at the same time, and good luck. In the left hand, the note there is at the beginning here, at the measure is an A sharp. You simply do the A and you just make it an A sharp. So instead of A, you play A sharp here. That's all it is. So if the hand position is here, then instead of using the third finger on the A, I'll use third finger on the A sharp. That's all. Here. But the hand position is really here, because that sharp sign is not in the key signature. It's before the note. There is a sharp sign in the key signature, but that's the F. The sharp sign in the key signature, the first one is always F. You can rely on that. There should never be any other kind of sharp than F. F sharp. If there's one sharp, well, even if there's more than one sharp, the first sharp is still always going to be F. So you only have to worry, you just see how many sharps are in the key signature. You should automatically know what they are, because they're always the same ones. But in the music, anything goes. Anything can be sharp, so you have to watch out. Now this piece doesn't actually have any F's in it. It doesn't matter. They want it in a particular key. This, you'd think G major, it's not, it's an E minor, but I don't want to get into the keys too heavily right now. The point is, they want it in a particular key. They have to put in that signature for that key, whether the notes are used or not. It's not important. So here we got eighth notes all over in 2/4 time. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. So you just carefully go through. I like to go through and make sure I've got the notes in the fingering first, so it's here. And so we just get all these notes. I don't worry too much about counting right now. Just make sure I got all the notes, so it's here. And then I can go back and add the counting. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. It's not all 8 notes. Then I get that, and I get it to where I can do it without any hesitations, all the way through nicely. Don't care how fast I'm going. I go as slow as I gotta go to get it. As I practice it, I can speed it up. Okay? A B, how fast does a B go? I don't recommend that fast. You have a speed limit on how fast you can play, and play correctly and play with control. Everybody does. And it's a different limit for different people. And as you get better with piano, that speed limit will increase. It'll get faster. Don't go beyond it. Especially if there's anybody around who can hear you. Don't put them through that. It's not nice to do that. If you're alone, who cares? You can do what you want. But if there's somebody listening, don't go beyond your speed limit, whatever it is. That's really all it is. So I'd like to play this with you. This is assuming you've learned it. I'll give us 4 counts, and let's play it together slowly. Hand position. The right hand is here, and the left hand, don't forget the F sharp, is here, and the left hand is here. Now, we're in a word position, but that's what it is. 1, 2, ready and go, and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and off. There's a duet for this. I like to play that, and you play your part. The duet part doesn't have a lot going on. It's just half notes and quarter notes. So it's really, you get to go. I want to speed this up a little bit and challenge you a little bit. So let's try it and see what happens. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready and go. And 1 and 2.